Hey, what's up? Welcome to ADHD Bites, the series where I make you very, very easy food for your ADHD that's actually going to make your ADHD better. You ready? Well, let's jump in. We are making a chocolate chia seed pudding. And if you've never made a chia seed pudding before, it is not that scary, I promise, and it's going to taste really good. And I also promise that, unless you don't like chia seeds at all. But if you've never tried chia seeds before, this is a great opportunity to expand your food preferences. Before we get into it, hey, I'm Annika. I don't remember if I said that before. I am an ADHD nutrition research expert, and I run this little account called the Nutri Mind Lab. Find it here, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I have a Discord community. I have Patreon. You can join me literally wherever. I'm excited to see where you land, but let's get into it. As always, let's talk about the ingredients. So first, soy milk. I've talked about that before. If you're a woman, soy milk. Get soy milk every single day if possible. There's just a lot of good research studies out there on soy for women. It's also my favorite plant-based milk because it has a lot of protein in it. Next, maple syrup. Real maple syrup, the fake stuff. I grew up in Wisconsin. You gotta have the real stuff. Plus, the real stuff has the good flavonols in it, which help your brain. And we like that, right? We like that. If you don't like sugar, you don't have to add it, but I think it tastes bad without it, so. Next, cocoa. If you watch the video, I'll try to remember to tag it. Cocoa is so good for our brains. I always recommend people have like 2 tablespoons a day. It's so good for your brain, for your body. Oh, and you can just get your regular baking cocoa. You don't have to get the fancy Dutch processed stuff. And honestly, the Dutch processed stuff tends to have more heavy metals in it anyway. Also, the last research study we had on cocoa powder found that the organic stuff had more heavy metals as well. So, I mean, save a few bucks. Get the cheap stuff. And the last one is chia seed. So chia seed has so much fiber and so many omega-3s. Omega-3s and plant ones are really good for inflammation in the body, but also reducing oxidative stress close to the brain because our bodies can use ALA, which is from the chia seed, and help it and turn it into something called EPA or DHA omega-3s. And those are good for your brain. Also with ADHD, we are worse at using and creating in general omega-3s. So we want to eat a lot of seeds and a lot of salmon / fish if possible. Don't do that if you're allergic, please, but do what you can. Now, I'm gonna use a fancy little jar here because I have to go photograph it for Instagram and make it look kind of cute so that people will go to my blog and get the recipe. But you can do whatever you want. Now, the key here is 1 to 4 of this. That's really the way to make it taste good. So 1/4 is usually what I do, like 1/4 cup. I live in the States, so if you are in not the States and you use the not imperial system, I'm not sure what that is, but just 1 to 4, okay? So about 1/4 cup of seeds. Let's see, that's about like that. And then you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of this cocoa powder. Now, depending on how long you've been here, you know I don't really measure anything. That was a lot more cocoa powder than I needed. I'm just gonna dump it back in because honestly, I'm the only one who uses cocoa powder. My husband does not use cocoa powder, so it does not matter if I dump stuff back in or if I touch it because it's all my germs. It's all gonna go into my mouth instead. Then some maple syrup. Probably, I'm gonna estimate like 1 tablespoon. I'm not 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Again, I don't know what that is in metrics, but, and then you just kind of fill it up. And that's gonna be about a cup. Now, you're gonna wanna mix this, otherwise it tastes really bad. And the chia seeds are not gonna do much of anything. If you want it to be fancy and actually make sure that the chia seeds, like all of them get soaked, you can put this into a different container first, like probably something like this that I need to clean out. That was just randomly like on my counter. Could do that. It will work better. You'll probably also get the cocoa powder mixed in better, but I don't like to dirty a lot of dishes. That's just a barrier for me personally, so yeah, you just get it mixed up really well. And then it's really simple. You just stick it in the fridge. You can stick it in there for at least 10 minutes and then you're good to go. Otherwise, overnight is the best. Make sure that you cover it though if you put it overnight. Otherwise, it'll dry out a little bit and then it's not great. If you feel inclined to mix it every so often, you also could do that and it will taste better, but you don't have to. So yeah, that's really literally all it is. I also recommend adding some like raspberries on this, because raspberries and chocolate are just like one of the best combinations. I don't have any raspberries right now, but I'm probably gonna go get some so I can use it to photograph this, because again, do it for the gram. Anyway, I keep looking that way because I'm doing a body doubling session with one of my friends, and it's actually a community body, oh my gosh, hi baby, community body doubling session, and we just started this. His name is Matt Reichelboom. If you do not know him, you should. I'm gonna tag him. But we are working on a ADHD community together, where we're getting a bunch of larger ADHD creators together and just giving you a bunch of resources and a community where we can actually hang out with you. So if that's something you're interested in, it's only $23 USD a month, because we want to make this accessible. So if you want to get information, recipes, body doubling, accountability sessions, gratitude, motivation, join us. I'll have a link below, and I can't wait to see you there. All right, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. I'm not gonna be back and record this because I'm gonna forget, like, let's be honest. But if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, unless you don't like recipes and if you don't like me. And that is okay, because people do not have to like everybody, but it looks so good. Look at that. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.